Hi, this is Tim McKenzie, and I'm just going to do a quick overview of Anki, which is basically a flashcard management application. Right now, I'm using the desktop version of the application. You can see I have my window open right here, and I have one deck created here. It's a very simple interface. You can just go to the search Anki, SRSSANKI, and then download the application. It's not very big, and install it. And first, what you'll notice is you need to get decks, which are basically cards for study. What you can do for that is you can go on the website over here and see popular categories. They have different languages and whatnot. You can search. If I want to search, let's say in Japanese, I can do that, and I can select that option. Or you can share your own decks as you go on from there, and so on. You have to excuse my internet connection is a little slower. But you can see then I have the decks that show up here as samples. They also give you ratings, as well as you can see when it's modified. You can see if they have audio, if they have images, etc. So it's pretty handy. It's a great community, and it's constantly updated because it's by all the users. So anyone who uses this program can add to it, can make their deck, and you can find a lot of content, and you can create your own. When you want to add it to Anki, you just go to File and select Import. And you can see I have some here. I have it set in my Downloads folder. You can do it really easily, just selecting your computer or your user. Then you select what you want. So I'm going to select here the Onomatopoeia deck that I downloaded. That's done in a unique format. It's the APKG format. So that's a pretty unique one. Select Open. It'll process that deck, and it'll add it instead of 364 cards. Now you can see I have this deck just right here. It's very neat, and it says new. And basically, what it encourages you to do is to study 20 cards at a given time, even though it says 300 some cards were added. So if I select it, it'll say new 20 learning and to review, etc. You can set options and do custom study, but I'll do a quick thing that study now. So you can see I have a picture here, and I can say show answer if I know what it's saying, and the answer was atsuatsu, which is something that looks like it's really hot. Also can be for couples who are in love. And you say if that was, if I want to see it again, when I didn't know it very well, I can hit this. If I kind of know it, I can select good. And if I said, well, this is really easy for me, I don't need to see it again, it'll delay its response. So it's sort of like a cycling method, sort of like Memrise and other things like that. So if you're familiar with those platforms, then you can know that. You can also do other things like you can select more here. You can mark, you can make notes, you can bury the card, you can add other sort of things. You can replay the audio, but also you can record your own voice if you don't like the computer generated audio. So you can do all kinds of things there, as well as you can create your own decks. You can take cards from other decks. You can do so on. So there's a lot of things that you can do and create here to make your own sort of custom deck. So it's a great way to study. It's really handy. It has a great system. It's available on many platforms, and obviously right here I'm on a computer, so it's something that's it's easy to access even if you don't have a mobile device. So this is a very brief overview of Anki. It's something I would recommend to any language learner or for teachers as well, because it's a great resource to share. So you can create things that you can give to your students. All right, thanks for watching.